Hey guys, it's Ash here. I am coming with another video. I know I've been gone for a long time, but we're going to go ahead and pick this train up. So, this video is basically going to be a tutorial on how to wash your weave. So, when you have a sew-in, I know a lot of people be wondering, well, how do I wash it? I know a lot of people go to salons and get it washed, and no one has time for that. So, I did a video years ago on how I do it and how, this is how most people do it when they have sew-ins in, but I wanted to come and show you guys. So I have this little head wrap that I got from the beauty supply store in North Carolina in Charlotte. So yeah, so this is a sew-in that is old, that needs to be washed, so we're gonna revamp it. So this here is KENDRA'S Hair Boutique hair. So yeah, this is my leave out, of course. So basically the first thing you want to do is just section off your leave out. So that's what I'm going to do. So you're just going to have your section of your leave out. Girl, this thing dirty. You hear me? I'm taking this out tomorrow, but I want to do this video really quick first to show you guys. So my leave out is sectioned off. Like I said, it's been in here for a while, so it's grown out pretty well. But yeah, so I'm just going to section this off. So I'm just going to roll this up. This side is horrible. And clip it off. Alright, so the first thing I wash first is my natural hair first. Get that nice and clean. Then I go in with, then I wash the extensions. So the first thing I'm going to do is, yeah, wash my natural hair. So I'm going to move to the kitchen because I don't wash my hair in the bathroom because the sink too damn small. So we're going to move to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. It is. Oh, I left the damn dog outside.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so right here what I basically do is separate the weave into two sections. So I'm going to do that now, and I basically wash one section at a time. And you will be able to see that here. I focus on getting all the hair wet, so I try to go up to the weft without getting my foundation wet. So as you can see, I don't get the actual, like the braids wet. And I also, you'll see it when I start to actually wash the hair. I don't like ball the hair up into a ball when I'm trying to clean it. I basically scrub it, as you can see here, scrub it, moving it in a downward motion, basically to keep the cuticles aligned so that it prevents tangling and unwanted shedding. So the only time I actually ball it up is the bottom or the ends, and I keep running it in a downward motion just to avoid lots of tangles. And I also detangle with my fingers as I am washing. Alright, so I section off the hair that is washed, and I move on to the other side. And this is a front view, so you guys can basically see how I'm doing it. Sorry, this was like a last minute video. It is very bootleg, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Like I said, this sewing is coming out tomorrow. I got some wefts that's lifting and everything, but I just want to show you guys how to properly wash a sew-in. So I didn't film the ending of the video because I wanted to show you guys how to revamp this ASON. Like I said, I have tracks lifting and all of that jazz. So in the part 2 of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, how I blow out my leave out, how I straighten my leave out, how I get the hair back going. Okay, so yeah, pay attention to part 2 when it is uploaded, and you guys will be able to check it out. So if you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave it in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys later.